Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. In the previous video, we have seen creating creation endpoint for role privileges. In this video, let us create retrieval endpoints. So this is the creation endpoint created in the previous video. Let us create the retrieval endpoint. We have already created these endpoints many times, so it would be faster if we copy and paste it. So get all roles, get role by ID, get role by name. So let's copy these three. These three are retrieval endpoints. We can paste it here and modify to support role privilege. Okay. So role privilege DTO, we need to replace in the place of role DTO. Wherever there is a role DTO, replace it with role privilege DTO. Okay. Next one, change role repository to role privilege repository, and this is role privileges, get role privilege by ID, get role privileges, get role privileges, and get role privileges async, role repository, role privilege, role privilege, role privilege. Okay, it's a role privilege, get role privilege by name, get role privilege by name, okay, done. I have simply copied whatever we have written in role controller and modified role to role privilege so that all these methods will support role privilege endpoints. Now we have created role privilege endpoints for retrieval. So three endpoints we have written. First one is get all role privileges, and next one is get role privilege by ID. Next one is get role privilege by name. Okay. In the creation endpoint, we have discussed to return this instead of this, because we have created role privilege by ID now. So role privilege by ID route is now available. So it is better to return this instead of this response. We forgot to do that in role controller. Let's do that in role controller also. Okay, yeah, correct. Let's run this now. Okay, it is already running. Let's rerun. So this one is role privilege, get all role privileges, execute. Yes, we got all the available role privileges. We have created one only, so that is coming. Okay, role privilege name is view students. Next, let's test this one. Get role privilege by ID. Try it out. Let's check with 0. So there is no role with 0. You can see 400 bad request. Let's test it with 1. There is a role privilege with 1. So you can see role privilege returned with ID 1. It is also working. Let's test the role privilege by name. Try it out. And let's test with some random name, test. execute. You can see 404 not found. The role not found with name test. Okay, we need to modify this message. It's not role privilege. Let us execute it with view students. Okay, underscores not allowed. Okay, let's enter the partial text view. Okay, it is still not working. Let us check it. So this one is role privilege. The message we need to modify. The role privilege not found. And in this one also, the role privilege not found. Okay, message is also modified. So now this one is exact match and this one is not allowing the underscores. Okay, this validation, let's make it partial match dot contains name. Now this will work. Partial match, rerun it. Let's get all privileges. Try it out. Execute. Okay, working. Let's go to role privilege by name. View. Execute. We can see there is a role privilege matching view. Okay, we can also check it with students. Still, we can see the same role privilege returned because it is matching students. So it is checking partial match. So 3 endpoints are working. 3 endpoints are working. So with this, we have completed 2 out of CRUD operations, creation and retrieval. Okay, in the next video, let us create the update endpoint. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.